At this time, the parties have been agreed to be named joint managing conservators, with Mr. Bowman having a standard possession order. The geographic will be Galveston and contiguous counties. Mr. Bowman will pick up at Starbucks on Davis Road from Miss Olsen's mother, Miss Linda Horn Hernandez. Child support will be in the amount of $700 per month beginning September 1st, 2025.
What was that number? I was
700.
thinking there was no 700. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And did you mean to say pick up and drop off, or just pick up?
Just pick up, Judge. Dad will cover health insurance and dental at his cost of $300 per month. The parties have agreed to use at close. And there will be no retroactive judgments. And the pending issues, Judge, are how the child is going to be returned. And I haven't asked Mr. Bowman about court costs, but other than that, that's it. Bowman. I'm so sorry, Mr. Bowman. Bowman.
You may proceed.
Yes, Judge. So, Miss Olsen, there needs to be a return of your child, of Scarlett, once visitation is over with Mr. Bowman. Do you have any suggestions for the court of how that return should be?
I mean, it's obviously it's not fair for me to ask him to come all the way back down here.
And please keep in mind, I know nothing, so this is a little confusing. I don't know what
Ms. Olsen, what has been going? How have y'all been doing it? Let's start there.
So he has been picking her up from my mother at the Starbucks in front of my neighborhood, and then I have been driving to Katie to pick her up for her return, and then I've just been waiting down in the parking lot, and she's been coming down.
Is there another place other than you going to his apartment that you can drive to that's a public area close to his house?
Yeah, if he agrees on wherever close to, I don't know that area at all. I don't go to Katy. I don't hang out in Katy. I don't know anything about it. He moved there, so I feel like if he wants, I mean, if that is okay with him, he can pick the place. I'm okay with that.
Pass the witness, Judge.
Can we clarify what is? Okay. Are there any issues or something I need to know about?
Yes, Judge. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry about that. Now, Ms. Olsen, why are we figuring out where the public place should be? Is there some order in place?
Yeah, I have a protective order against him for 2 years.
I'm sorry, how many years?
2 years.
And is that why we're thinking, that's why you were suggesting a public place for you to pick her up, correct?
Yes, because we've found out that if I go to him at his complex, then I am in violation of the order itself.
Do we have a copy of the order so I know exactly what it says?
I did send, sorry.
I can share my screen, Judge.
Okay. That might be hard because I like to go back and really review these closely because I don't want to violate protective orders. And I am concerned actually about the JMC as well, knowing that.
Yes, Judge.
But without knowing what it says, it's hard to know what.
It's a little weird scanned.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay.
So and this is pretty recent.
Mm-hmm. And it is my understanding, well, if I may ask questions, Judge.
You may.
Ms. Olsen, and it is your belief that this should be a joint protective order? Or who are the protected parties in this protective order?
Me.
Okay. I'm gonna scroll down, Judge.
I actually pulled it up. I can't read on screen like this.
Oh, that's all.
So
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
you for that.
Okay, there is a finding of family violence.
Judge, before we continue, now that you've said that, can we be placed on hold?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yes, Judge, I would like to, the parties came to a final agreement on all issues that I would like to let the court know.
Okay.
Because of the protective order and the finding of family violence, the parties have agreed that Ms. Olsen will be named sole managing conservator with the exclusive right to designate the residents within Galveston and its contiguous counties. Mr. Bowman will have visitation pursuant to a standard possession order. Child support will be $700 beginning September 1st, 2025. Medical support, dad will cover medical through his employer at a cost of $300 per month to him. The parties will use app close. Now for the pickup of the child, it will be by Ms. Olsen's mother, as previously stated in the record. Hold on, Judge. I thought I had written where. It was a Starbucks, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
At the Starbucks, Judge. And then at this time, the parties have also agreed that Ms. Olsen will pick up the child at a police station located at 3203 South Dairy Ashford Road, Houston, Texas 77082. And that is the extent of the parties' agreement, Judge.
Are they keeping that residency restriction, or
Yes, ma'am.
is it still Galveston and contiguous? So you have. And Dad's providing dental insurance as well,
Yes, ma'am.
and she doesn't want a non-disclosure. Am I remembering this correctly, or am I confusing cases?
There wasn't one specifically requested, Judge, at this time. If I may ask questions concerning that.
Actually, well, no, it's in there. Number 7 on your pleading.
Oh, yes, but I'm saying I need to ask Ms. Olsen further questioning on that issue.
Because I believe the protective order does not have her address.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You may continue.
Yes, ma'am. May I speak? I would like to call Ms. Olsen. Ms. Olsen, will you state your full name for the record?
Steph.
And I haven't had issues with her this whole time, Judge.
Okay.
You're freezing, Ms. Olsen. I'm sorry. There you are. Okay, Ms. Olsen,
Yes, ma'am.
are you requesting a non-disclosure, which means are you requesting that the court order that your contact information not be included in the court order because of safety concerns?
Correct.
Pass the witness, Judge.
Okay.
And I'll call Mr. Bowman. Mr. Bowman, I'm sorry. Mr. Bowman, do you have any safety concerns in this matter? Are you requesting a non-disclosure for yourself as well? And
I didn't hear his answer. It was muffled.
Yes,
repeat
I
that,
am
please?
requesting a non-disclosure disorder.
Okay.
and are you in agreement with a non-disclosure for Ms. Olsen?
Me?
Yes.
Yes, and Ms. Olsen, I would like to call Ms. Olsen. Ms. Olsen, are you in agreement with the
Sorry, I didn't hear his
non-disclosure?
answer to that question either.
Oh,
I don't know
sorry.
if it's because of all this beeping, or I'm just not hearing the answers.
Can you answer one more time?
I'm
If you-
sorry. May I ask exactly what this non-disclosure agreement means?
Yes, sir. Are you in agreement with Ms. Olsen's address, phone number, email, and any further contact information not being disclosed in this court order
To me or to the court?
to you, to everyone on the paperwork?
Does that mean that if she moves that I will not have record of where my daughter lives?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I don't agree to that. I need to know exactly what residence my daughter is at, just for safety reasons. Because she and I already know our addresses. We've exchanged these addresses. We know where we live. We have each other's phone numbers, email addresses, everything. So to exclude that from here on forth, I just feel is ridiculous. So I mean, I redact what I say earlier about not disclosing it. No, she can have my address, she can have my phone number, she can have my email, she can have my work. I don't care. I just need to know that my daughter is safe, and in the case of an emergency situation, I also need to know where my daughter lives at. So that's no, I do not agree to that.
And you have, so are you, do you have any safety concerns for yourself?
Concerns for myself.
Mhm.
I mean, I'm already living them.
Are you opposed? So let's in the future, if you move, is it okay with you to still include your contact information and have to keep updating the court and Ms. Olsen of where your residence is?
I would state that both of us need to do that regardless for the
Objection
safety of our
non-responsive.
child.
Overruled.
Just use Mr. Bowman.
I don't mind if she knows what my address is, or my phone number, or my email address.
Thank you, sir. Here, I'll pass the witness and call Ms. Olsen again.
But you may do so.
Ms.
Yes, ma'am.
Olsen, what are the reasons why you are requesting a non-disclosure in this matter?
If I moved at the time of the filing, I didn't want him knowing where I was going because I didn't want him showing up unannounced.
What about now, Miss? Do you have fear for for the future?
Again, I didn't want him, if we moved, I didn't want him knowing where I was going at the time because I did not want him showing up. I didn't want him showing up unannounced, uninvited.
So are
at
you
the time
requesting
of,
one now?
yeah, no, not a non-disclosure. No.
Your Honor, that's all I have.
I'm going to render. I'm approving the parties' agreements, a few small changes. I'm going to appoint the parties. I'm going to appoint Ms. Olsen, a managing conservator, and Mr. Bowman, the possessory conservator. With Ms. Olsen having the right to determine the primary residence of the child within Galveston or any county that touches Galveston. And I'm ordering that Mr. Bowman have visitation pursuant to the standard possession order with the pickup and drop off. Pickup will be Ms. Olsen's mother must be present, and it will be at the Starbucks near her home. I believe you have the address, Ms. Rodriguez.
Yes, ma'am, we'll add it to the order.
Okay, and the pickup will be at the police station on South Dairy Ashford. I'm also ordering that during any pickups or drop-offs, the parties are ordered to stay at least 200 yards away from each other pursuant to the protective order, as long as that protective order is in existence and in effect. I'm finding and ordering that Mr. Bowman, I'm finding he's providing health, medical, and dental insurance, and I'm ordering that he continue to provide the medical and dental insurance through his employer. Mr. Bowman is ordered to pay Ms. Olsen child support of $700 per month beginning September 1st of 2025. I'm ordering that the parties communicate through app close. I'm ordering no back child support. I'm denying back child support. And I am ordering the non-disclosure finding in light of all the evidence and testimony presented. And
You
I am
said
ordering,
yes, Judge? I'm sorry.
yes, I am. Yes, I'm ordering the non-disclosure finding for Ms. Olsen's information. And I'm ordering that Mr. Bowman pay court costs to Galveston County on or before August 25th of 2026.
May you repeat that, Judge? You broke up.
Court costs, I'm ordering that you pay court costs to Galveston County on or before August 25th of 2026.
In the amount of,
Galveston will have that information, sir.
thank you.
Thank you. And so the state is going to draft the order based on my ruling today and your agreements, and they'll be sending it to y'all shortly through DocuSign to review and sign off on. But good luck with everything going forward. And thank you all for coming in today.
Thank you.
Thank you.